Hi guys and welcome to my vlog. So for tonight's video, let's make lumpia ubod with chicken pastel brought to you by Nico PJ Food Products. So here are the ingredients. Of course, lumpia wrapper. We have the singkamas and the onion, and of course the breadcrumbs, the egg, and of course our chicken pastel. So ayun, you just have to mix it all together, guys, and deep fry it. And it's taste test time, everyone. So yes, so this is it. Ayan. Yes. Ayan na, guys. Ayun. So we have lumpia chicken pastel. Of course, huwag natin kalimutan, Nico PJ's chicken pastel. For those of you who are interested, please do message Papa Mike ng Davao. So taste test time. And then we have suka also. And guys, they also have a lot of products, ha. So after this video, I will be featuring their products too. Oh my. So malinis po ang kamay ko. Ayan. Sausaw natin sa suka. Yes. Yeah. Yan kanin. Ayan. Then we have pepino and kamatis. There you go. Guys, ang sarap. Ayan. So guys, once more, chicken pastel by Nico PJ. Contact Papa Mike ng Davao. So guys, they also have chili garlic sauce and coconut vinegar, and of course the bagoong, yummy, so yummy, and the concentrated calamansi, which is we all needed right now. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to contact Papa Mike ng Davao.